This is all the trees on the side of the house.
Mom, what are you doing?
Videotaping
What?
stuff so your grandma and your auntie can see.
Mom,
This is the other side of the house.
Robin you were talking to?
Hold on, Chris.
Was Robin?
Hold on, Chris.
Let me look.
Surrounded. Same way in the backyard.
Put a picture on me.
Hold on.
Put a picture on me. Put a picture on me.
Oh, you're so handsome.